Ingredients. Good morning, Mama. How much for these beautiful bitter leaves? For you, my daughter, I will give you a fish. You have picked the best ones. Welcome to Jenny's kitchen. Today we would make bitter leaf soup. Welcome to Jenny's kitchen. These are the ingredients: crayfish, pepper, cocoyam, bitter leaf, assorted meat, fish, palm oil, cocoyam, and seasoning. Let's see if our cocoyam is ready. Look at that, the fork goes right through. Perfectly soft and ready to serve.
This is bitterleaf soup served with pounded yam. Please do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.